Hello students and welcome back to this new session. Here I am continuing with RK method of fourth order, that is I'll just solve one more problem on RK method of fourth order so that you get your doubts clear once again on this. Okay, so here it's going to be a two-stage problem. Just read out the problem, you will understand it. Solve y square minus x square into dx is equal to x square plus y square into dy for x is equal to 0.4 given that y is equal to 1 at x is equal to 0 initially by RK method of fourth order, taking h is equal to 0.2. You can just see we are being asked to work for the value of y at 0.4, but by taking h is equal to 0.2 means initially what is the value of x? X is 0 initially. If you add 0.2 to it, it becomes 0.2. It means what? In first stage when you work for taking this as the initial condition and taking h as 0.2, when you work it, you will get the value for y of 0.2, not 0.4. Now after getting the value of y of 0.2, you are going to use that as the initial value in our next stage and then work for y of 0.4. Okay, like how we worked in Taylor series two-stage problem, the same it will be. Okay, so all of you pay attention step by step, and better you take a pen and a paper and start working for the problem solution with me. Okay, so it's very simple. First of all, let us define our dy by dx from here so that we get our f of xy separately. Okay, now you see the given differential equation is y square minus x square dx is equal to y square plus x square dy. So if you just cross multiply or just divide by x square y square, okay, x square minus y square, and take dx to the this. So or you can directly write your dy by dx as from here. Just separate your dy by dx. Just take this over here, take this over here. So it will be y square minus x square over y square plus x square. Okay, just do that. Okay, now once you are done with this, write this as f of xy. Now what has been given? Initially x naught is 0, y naught is defined to be 1. Write that. You have been asked to take 0.2. H is equal to 0.2. Take that as well. Now let us go for stage 1. Stage 1, wherein we will end up with y of 0.2. Is it not? Okay, let's work for that. So now since it has been asked to take h is equal to 0.2, let us work for the values of the k values for the first stage. So k values for the first stage will be h is k1. Let us use the direct formula. K1 is equal to h times f of x naught y naught. So h is 0.2, x naught is 0, y naught is 1. So as per the definition of f of xy, it is 0.2 as it is. It is y square means 1 square minus 0 square is 1. 1 square plus 0 is 1 again. So it will be just 0.2c. Okay. Similarly, let us work for k2 now. It is h times f of x naught plus h by 2, y naught plus k1 by 2. So it's going to be 0.2, h is 0.2, 0.2 divided by 2 is 0.1, 0.1 plus 0, it's 0.1 only. Y naught is 1 plus k1 by 2, so 1 plus k1 by 2, k1 is 0.2, 0.2 by 2 is 0.1, or when you simplify, this is 0.2 f of 0.1 comma 1.1. Just see this, it will be like this. Okay, now use the formula, the definition of f of xy. So it is defined to be 1.1 square minus 0.1 square over 1.1 square plus 0.1 square. Put all the values in your calci and try to simplify it. So you must be getting the value of k2 to be 0.1967. 0.1967. I hope you all have got the same thing. Okay. Similarly, let us go for k3. It's So first write the formula. So h into f of x naught plus h by 2, y naught plus k2 by 2. So it is 0.2 f of, this is going to be 0.1, but this is going to be 1 plus this value divided by 2. So 1 plus it will be 1.09835. Look at that. So 3.5 it is. I'll round off it and take it as 8.4. Okay. So take it that way. Now if you simplify this in your calci, sorry, it should be not like this. Okay. Now when you put the values as per the definition, it's 0.2 into, as per the definition it's 1.0984 square minus 0.1 square divided by 1.0984 square plus 0.1 square. Just substitute these values in your calci and see what you get. It's 0.1967, again the same, 0.1967 only for K3. Okay, so let us mark all the values which we have worked for. Okay, now let us work for K4. It is h times f of x naught plus h, y naught plus K3. It's 0.2 f of x naught plus h. X naught is 0, y naught, h is 0.2, so it will be 0.2. Y naught plus K3 is simply 1 plus this value. So it is 1.1967. Now work for its simplification. So it's going to be 1.1967 square minus 0.1, sorry, this time it's 0.2 here, 0.2 square divided by 1.1967 square plus 0.2 square. Do substitute these values in your calci. You will end up the value with to be 0.1891. 0.18191. So this is K1, K3, K2, K3, K4. Now we need the value of y of x naught plus h. By definition or by the formula we have it to be K1 plus 2 times K2 plus 2 times K3 plus K4. Just do the substitution in the formula. So x naught is 0, h is 0.2, so y of 0.2 is 1 plus. Do all the values, substitute it here. K2 is, what is K2? It's 0.1967. What is K3? It is also 0.1967 plus K4 0.18. 1891. Complete the square bracket and put the values in your calci. The answer should be 1.19598, or you just round off it and write it as 1.1919. This is 59, you can write it as 6, 598, so it will be 6. Just you can see that. Okay, this is the first part. The stage 1 is complete, so this is y of 0.2. Okay, now this value, the final value of stage 1, I'll use this as the initial condition for the stage 2. Okay, so that we get the values. I'm not going to erase everything from here. The formulas and all I'm going to keep it so that it will be easy for me. So let's work for stage 2. Now let's work for stage 2. For stage 2, your initial value for x naught is going to be 0.2, y naught is 1.196, I guess. Yeah, previously I have erased it. Yeah, 1.196. So let's work for the value of K1 now and just do one more few steps, that's it. So h is again 0.2 here. Okay, so the value of x, that is x naught plus h, becomes what? X naught is 0.2, y naught is 0.2, so it becomes 0.4 this time. Okay, and therefore at the end of the stage 2 you will get the value of 0.4. Okay, so which will be the final answer. So here it will be 0.2, y naught is 1.196. so do the substitution in f, definition of f. It's 0.2 into 1.196 square minus 0.2 square divided by 1.196 square plus 0.2 square it will be, is it? So when you simplify this, it is 0.1891. 0.1891. I hope it is clear. I guess this value matches with the value of K4 of the previous stage. Just to verify it. It is same. Okay, because here we have it is almost same. The value for y0 is almost same for the value in K4 what we work. The value for K3, is it not? K3 value, yes, it was 1.1967 we had taken there. So it is almost same, just see that. Similarly, this should match, that is you can verify whether you are going on proper this also. Okay, the formulas and all are proper. So x naught plus h by 2, y naught plus k1 by 2. So if you substitute, it will be 0.2, f of x naught is 0.2. Just see that x naught is 0.2, h divided by 2 results in 0.1, h is 0.2, h by 2 is 0.1, 0.2 plus 0.1 is 0.3. Okay, now here it is y0 is this plus k1 by 2. Just do that in your calci. So the value should be 1.29055. So if you just substitute that, it is 0.2, 1.29055 square minus 0.3 square this time because x value. Now it is 1.29055 square plus 0.3 square. Substitute these values in your calci and get the value for K2. The K2 value is 0.1795. Similarly, let's work for K3. It's h times f of x naught plus h by 2, y naught plus k2 by 2. Substitute it, it's 0.2, f of 0.3, y naught is again same, but k2 by 2 you are going to do and add it to this y naught. And when you do that, 1.28575 you get, see. Now substitute in your function 0.2, 1.28575 square minus 0.3 square over 1.28575 square plus 0.3 square. After putting all the values in your calci, you should end up with 0.1793. I'm going to mark all the values which are very important. Okay, now K4. H times f of x naught plus h, y naught plus K3. So it is 0.2. This time x naught is 0.2, h is also 0.2, so it becomes 0.4. Y naught is that 1.16 and all that, and add it to this, you must get 1.3753. 1.3753. Now with this you evaluate. So do the substitutions all of you and solve it in your calci. Plus here. So the value is 0.1688. Just check that. So verify all the values in your calci, all of you. And finally, value of x naught plus h should be y naught plus 1 by 6 k1 plus 2 times k2 plus 2 times k3 plus k4. So y naught, it's 1.196 plus h by 1 by 6. K1 is, what is K1? It's 0.1891 plus 2 times K2, 0.1793 plus 2 times K3, 95 here, K2. K3 is 0.1793 plus K4 is 0.1688. Nine five nine three 1688. Okay, just do all that, put the values in your calci. At the end, the value should be 1.37525. This is y of 0.4. This is the final answer. Okay, this completes the solution for your problem. If still you have any doubt, do ask me in my WhatsApp group. Thank you till then.